Hello everyone, welcome to this video on Copilot in Dynamics 365 Sales. This is the continuation of a previous video where we discussed about Copilot in Dynamics 365 Sales, and we have seen the first three features available within Copilot in Dynamics 365 Sales. In this video, we will start from information assistance. If you have not watched the previous video, I would request you to go back to the previous video and then come back and continue this video. The fourth feature within Copilot in Dynamics 365 Sales is information assistance. This provides content recommendations and answers to questions from documents stored in SharePoint. The SharePoint content recommendation capability is supported for the out-of-the-box sales tables like account, contact, lead, opportunity, quote, order, and invoice records. In the previous video, we have enabled the summary and recent changes capabilities within app settings. So in that page there was one more option to set up knowledge sources. So in the last video we have not set the knowledge sources, but in this video, as part of this feature, we will set the knowledge sources. So to access this, we need to go to app settings, Copilot, and within that we have knowledge sources. Here we can add the SharePoint folder locations or SharePoint site location. We need to have some sales documents in our SharePoint folder, and we just need to provide the folder name or site name and the link of that particular folder or site here. We just need to click on this configure SharePoint locations, and then you will get this pop-up. Here you need to specify the name and the SharePoint URL. Before giving this value, this is my YouTube demo SharePoint site, and within that I have this folder named as sales documents, and within this folder I have multiple files that support the sales process. Now what I will do is I will just copy this folder link by using this three dots and copy link, and then the link will be copied here. And here I will come back to that configure SharePoint locations pop-up. Here I will give the name of that folder, and within this SharePoint URL I will paste the SharePoint link, and then we can save this pop-up. Similarly, if you have multiple multiple SharePoint locations, you can click on add more and give multiple SharePoint locations here. For now, we will proceed with this sales document location. After adding that knowledge source, we need to wait for some time so that Copilot in Dynamics 365 Sales will process that SharePoint location, and it will be able to access those files whenever we ask any question or any prompt in this Copilot in D365 Sales. Now I am in opportunity. To access Copilot, I need to click on this Copilot icon, and from here, if you click on this view prompts, you will have these three prompts, and from here if you click on get info, you will see two options which are dedicatedly available for SharePoint. One is get info from SharePoint, and the other one is show files from SharePoint. And this opportunity is the customer is likely will order 20 televisions, which means customer is looking for television. What I will do is I will click on this show files from SharePoint. The moment I click on this, automatically the prompt will be added inside this box, show files from SharePoint related to. So now we can type in whatever we want. So I will just type television here, and then I will click on this send icon. So instead of typing some random value, you can just type slash, and you can reference any D365 record. But for now, I have just typed television, and I will click on send. And immediately Copilot will process that SharePoint location, and it will try to get some files which are relevant for television. In this case, I got one Word document and I got one Excel file. And from here, if I click on this area, I will get two options, whether to download this file or to copy this file link. So if I want to send this file to some of my colleague, or if I want to send this file to customer, I can use this copy link option. And if I want to open this particular document in a new tab, I can just click on this document name. If I click on this document name, it will take me to the file directly. And then at the bottom, we have this show all in SharePoint. If I click on this show all in SharePoint, then it will open a new tab in SharePoint, and it will show both of these files together in that new tab. And similar to get files, we also have one more option here in the prompt, that is get info from SharePoint. If I click on this get info from SharePoint, again the same will be added here in this box, get info from SharePoint about. And now I can type whatever I want. So here I typed LG television feature because this customer is looking for some television. I'm going to recommend LG televisions for this customer. So I want to know some of the features about LG television. And this info is something should come from my SharePoint. So that's why we have used this prompt, get info from SharePoint about LG television feature. And if I click on this send, again Copilot will search for answers in the provided SharePoint location. And here it is giving me the answer. LG televisions have features such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Smart TV. If I want to see the reference file from where this uh, summary has been provided, I can click on this references. Then it will give me the source file from where it picked this answer. Now we are done with the fourth feature. We will move to the fifth feature, that is meeting preparation. This helps the sellers prepare for any upcoming meetings by summarizing relevant information from sales records associated with the meeting. For this, we don't have to do any separate configuration. So whatever we have done already as part of summarization and recent changes will be used here. Now I am in opportunity, and there is one upcoming appointment on this opportunity. Now we will see how this Copilot helps us to prepare for upcoming meetings. Here I opened this Copilot sidebar and I just typed prepare for sales meetings. And then if I click on send, it will give me the uh, summary, give me the inputs to prepare for upcoming meetings. Or else we can also click on this prompt guide, and from here I have this option of prepare for sales meeting under stay ahead option. So I can do from both the places, and immediately when I trigger this send, it will ask me if I need to connect with Outlook, because all these details will come from the Outlook. So I will give yes connect here so that D365 and Outlook will be connected, and it will fetch the relevant information about the upcoming appointments. Now immediately it is listing me the sales meetings for the next 7 days. So currently there is only one meeting with the name product demo available for this opportunity. So it is listing that meeting here inside this Copilot window. And from here, if I click on that, it will give me two options, whether to open the meeting or to prepare for this meeting. So if I click here, it is giving me two options. For now, I will just click on this prepare so that it will give me a quick summary I can read that summary and I can prepare for that meeting with my customer. Here you can see it is giving me some of the basic information about the meeting and who are all the meeting invites, and insights is provided here. And then it is giving me a quick summary of what I need to discuss with my customer. And here, if you want to copy the summary and put it in any notepad or in timeline notes, you can just use this copy, and you can completely copy this summary and put it in the timeline notes or in any description field that you have inside your opportunity. In this video, we have covered two features of Copilot in Dynamics 365 Sales. In the next video, we will cover the remaining features of Copilot in Dynamics 365 Sales. Thank you.